Hi, in this episode I'm going to show you how to use the custom format for numbers. So I have all these pounds here and I want this cell to say pounds after the number. So I would right click here, go down to Format Cells, and you have many options here. I'm going to go down to the custom and I'd delete that and put 0 quotation space LBS. Close the quotation marks and hit enter. And now if I type in a number here, it's going to come up with the pounds afterwards, but it's still considered a number in Excel. Change it to 65. I come over here and I can even make formulas off of that. 65 times 10, 650. And this is helpful because if you type in 65 space LBS, it reads that as text. So if you try to make a formula off that, you're going to get an error just like that. So that's the value of formatting cells with the custom format. Excel still reads it as a number. And then there's another helpful trick here with the format painter. So you can use that by highlighting a cell that you want the format for others. Click that button and click whatever cell you want the same format. So it did that to that one. And you can even do the whole column and it makes all of those pounds. So that's how you use the custom formatting function in Excel. You don't have to make it pounds. You could make it spell out percent, or you could make it meters or feet or whatever you want. But in this case, it makes the most sense to make it pounds. So that's how you use the custom formatting in Excel. Thank you for watching.